Hello everyone. Today we will understand how we subtract fractions. Now this is same as that of what we have done in addition of fractions. So how do we proceed? There are two parts. Part 1 when the denominators of both the fractions are same, and the second part when denominators and numerators both are different of both the fractions. So what do we do? Here the denominator, since the denominators are same, so the denominator of the answer will be 6 only. Simple, take the numerators of both the fractions, and since we have to subtract them, so we subtract the numbers. 7 minus 4 is 3. We get 3 by 6. Now also understand here that we will not stop here. We will reduce this to the simplest form. Now what is simplest form? If the numerator and denominator come in the table of a common number, we divide it by in that table. So 3 and 6 come in the table of 3. So what do? We cancel them out. 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So the answer becomes 1 by 2. Now let's understand the next example. Here the denominators in both the fractions is 5. So we write on 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. So the answer becomes 6 by 5. And we have to stop here since they do not have common, they do not come in the table of a common number. Now, let us understand the second part. In the second part, we have different numerators and denominators of the fraction. So we will use the method called butterfly method as we did earlier. How? In addition of fractions. How do we do? We make the wings of the butterfly. So this is, we take the numerator of the first fraction and the denominator of the second fraction, and we multiply them. So it becomes 7 times 3 is 21. Subtraction sign in between. Next, we take 5 and 4. We multiply 5 and 4, which is 20. In the denominator, we take both the denominators of the fraction of both the fractions and we multiply them. 5 times 3 is 15. Now, 15 is the denominator. Now, 21 minus 20 is 1. So, the answer becomes 1 by 15. Let's take the second example. 6 times 5 is 30. 7 times 3 is 21. So 30 minus 21, and in the denominator it is 7 times 5, which is 35. Now 30 minus 21 is 9, and in the denominator we have 35. 9 by 35 is itself in the simplest form, so we stop here, and the fraction is, the answer is 9 by 35. Again, I hope that subtracting fractions is also clear. We use butterfly method in both addition and subtraction. And I hope you will try more such examples to understand them. Thank you.